We're going to continue our series on locating text and special characters using the Find and Replace dialog box. And in this video series, we're going to locate formatting or formatting styles by using the formatting section of the Find and Replace dialog box, which is called the format list. Remember to subscribe, guys, for more awesome videos on Microsoft Word tutorials only videos and tutorials about Microsoft Word are posted here on this channel. Let's get right into the video. So we go right up here to the ribbon section, and on our top right hand corner we'll click the down arrow beside Find, and we click. I know I say this in every video for this series, but this option or feature is really cool, and I'll say it again. We'll come right down here to the bottom left hand corner, and we'll click the More button, which shows us the bottom here, and then we'll go to the farther bottom on the left and we click Format. Now what this feature actually does is help you to find formatting styles or text or anything, even if it's a million of them in the document, and it is so cool. So all you have to do is basically come to the font, and we're looking for what you would say the word pre. Now the word pre is the same font as the other words in the document. The only thing that's different is that it's in bold and it's at size 14. So we're going to change that. So to change that, we're going to say we want it back being regular. We click regular, and then the font size, we want it to be 12. And then we'll click OK. Now we'll come to the Replace tab, and as you can see, we have Replace with here. So whatever we put up here, up here is going to tell the Find What format section is going to tell us what we're replacing with the Find With format. Now we already know that we want it to go back to 12 in size, and don't want it bold or italic or anything like that. We want it to look like the rest of the document. Right now it's bold and it's at 12. What we do is go to our wildcards. So we select wildcards. Now in a previous video I touched briefly on what wildcards are and what you could use it to do. This is another amazing feature of the Find and Replace dialog box. But now after we choose wildcards, we're going to click the Find What option. Now what this is going to do, it's going to tell Microsoft Word what you want to find so that you can change it back to regular font and the size. So it's going to be P R, and this is star Y. Now the asterisk is basically allowing us to find any word that's spelled PR, and whatever comes between PR and Y, it's going to find it. Now we could have the word pretty here, and you could find the word pretty. This is a basic document about prayer, so we know we won't find words like that in here. So but this is just an example. As I said in the previous video, I'm going to touch on wildcards in the future. So to see those videos, you definitely would have to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button. We're telling Microsoft Word to find words that start with PR and has anything in between that and Y, and we're going to replace it with the format, and we're going to place it with formatting. Now you don't have to put anything here because we already went down to format and we told Microsoft Word that all we want to change is formatting, right? So then we select replace. Now it tells you all done. We made 5 replacements. So let's click OK. Alright, so all the word pray, all the pray words that were in this paragraph has gone back to regular font. And let me just undo and redo, and you see where the changes was made. Now because pray is in prayer, it changed the word pray in prayer. And this is just an example of what you could use the formatting to do in Find and Replace. So If you need to find a certain style, paragraph style, tabs, whatever it is, it will find it and change it, no matter how many of them are in the document. I'm going to touch on this a bit more. It's just an introductory aspect of the format list, and to do that you gotta subscribe, and to see those videos you have to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.